Hello everyone and welcome back to Fallout 4. Today we are back in the wasteland and I am AutomaTitan. So we are just going to be making our way down to the Corvega assembly line and dealing with some pesky raiders that have been troubling our settler friends back in 10 Pines Bluff. So yeah, we were given this quest line by Preston Garvey, a member of the Minutemen. And from what I can understand from what he has said and little things that I've read online, the Minutemen are a group of people who defended the Commonwealth, but they have run on hard times, and that would appear to be a ghoul. Dogmeat, I understand you're trying to protect me, but you just alerted the one ghoul I was trying to snipe. This isn't good. Okay, get out the pistol. No! Bad ghoul! Bad ghoul! This is not a friendly ghoul. Go into first person. Okay, they're trying to overrun me, which is fine. So long as I can keep backpedaling and keep shooting, I should be okay. Dogmeat, where are you? If you've killed my dog, if any of you have killed my dog, you are all going to die a slow, painful death. But then again, I guess you're already dead. Your brains have been rotted by radiation and you have gone insane. Right, let's see what you all have for me. Let's see what goodies you have. Plastic fork. I hope Dogmeat's okay. Oh, there you are, Dogmeat. You okay? Yeah, good. Right, so we've just got some scrap, which we are going to be using for upgrading our guns at some point. And I forgot to mention, between the previous episode and this episode, I have upgraded a pipe rifle because I realised that it wasn't a automatic weapon and that it fit the requisition. It fit the prerequisites to be considered a sniper. So yeah, while we can't make the hunting rifle a sniper rifle just yet, we are going to be using our pipe rifle as a makeshift sniper. That was a very ineffective attack, ghoul. A very ineffective attack. Dogmeat, the best line of defense. If you put him between me and some ghouls, he will knock them down. I will shoot their faces off. I have to wonder why some of these ghouls have military grade duct tape. Maybe they worked for the military before the war. Is that a dude or a tree? It looks like a tree. So I'm currently enjoying Fallout quite a substantial amount. Railway spikes. Please tell me there's a railway gun somewhere nearby. Doesn't look like it, unfortunately. I really love that gun from Fallout 3, so if it is in Fallout 4, that is fantastic. We are running a little bit low on ammunition. No. No. Not like this. Where is he? Where is he? Where is that mutant? Leave. Yeah, and it'll be you. No, wait. I will be the one to survive. You're going to die. Will you stop attacking my dog? I'll take the bladed board. Yeah, the bladed board. Let's take a look at it. Nice. This actually looks powerful, even though it's just a piece of wood. But then again, a piece of wood can do a lot of damage, especially when it has some saw blades in. And I'm assuming that this Nuka Cherry place is mutant territory, so let's just get that on the locations. The Starlight Drive-In. That's kind of like where we enter the... What's the DLC called from New Vegas? Oh, that'll come back to me. That DLC will come back to me, but that is one of the more fun DLCs from Fallout New Vegas. And one of the things that I've always liked about Fallout is the fact that it is effectively, much like Lord of the Rings, the game about a long walk. And there's nothing wrong with that. If anything, I prefer games like that, just because it's relaxing and you get a little bit immersed in the atmosphere of the game. And if I'm not mistaken, the Minuteman Preston Garvey mentioned in one of the previous parts that Lexington has a substantial amount of ghouls, which I'm not a fan of. So I'm going to try and stay around the outskirts of Lexington and hopefully we don't encounter any ghouls. But in the event we do, we have our trusty blade. Well, our trusty bladed board, and we should easily be able to deal with any ghouls that we encounter. That's... okay, that's a lot of ghouls. That's more ghouls than I was anticipating. Right. This is a good weapon for dealing with ghouls. Leave my dog alone. No face for you. No arms for you. Nothing for you. You're all going to die because you've hurt my dog. I need to pop a stim back. I have to say I'm loving how the ghouls look in this. They actually look somewhat terrifying now. Come on ghouls, I'm chopping your arms off. I'm chopping your legs off. I'm popping a stim pack. We can talk... wait, no, I can't talk about this with a ghoul. It's a ghoul, it's a zombie. It has brain damage from the sheer amount of radiation it has absorbed. Right, dog meat. Dog meat, I'm sorry, buddy. You're okay now, good. I was going to stim pack you, boy, but the ghouls kind of overwhelmed me, so sorry about that. I care greatly about this dog. I don't care about my character. But that's often the way, isn't it? We tend to care more about animals than we do about other humans. Right, that does not look... dog meat. I'm just going to go into sneak mode so that you don't feel the need to run in and do a thing. Yeah, we are right next to where we need to be. Okay, we're only in caution. They have activated a turret. Right, everything's going to be okay so long as we remain in caution. And now we're in danger. Come on, raiders. I am not the most accurate person in the world. You might have a height advantage, raider, but I have a Okay, you had the height advantage. Oh, hi there! This isn't good. I'm going to probably die here. I've taken on... I've probably bitten off more than I can chew, which is kind of standard for me, really. I tend to run into hordes of raiders quite a lot when I'm playing on my own. Oh, how I love the bloody mess perk. Just randomly turn someone into giblets or giblets. Right, there is another dude up there. Right, I think that that's all of the raiders. Did we take away his face? It looks like we did. Unlucky, dude. Right, dog meat. Do you mind? Do you mind? I'm trying to issue orders to my dog. Dog meat, here's the plan. There's a turret down there. I need you to go and attack it. Go on, dog meat. Get the turret. Alternatively, I can get the turret. Do I have a SMG? I think I picked one up. Yes, I do. I only have 69 rounds. Yeah, 69 rounds. I'm on a rather low amount of health, so I'm just going to pop some stim packs and gun down the turret. You okay, dog meat? You look kind of hurt. You look in pain, but so long as you say that you're fine, you're fine. Come on, dog meat, let's get into the factory. So, if memory serves, when we defeated the Deathclaw and there was that named raider, Gristle, I think it was, I'm thinking that we managed to pick up a key, which is going to be incredibly useful for getting around the place. Nice car. Or at least, it would have been a nice car at one time. Raiders, I kind of came here to, well, no, that's a lie. I didn't come here to negotiate, I came here to murder you. Then again, that is a way of negotiation. Negotiation by murder. So, yeah, I did actually come here to negotiate. I came here to negotiate by way of bullets to your face. Admittedly not the most efficient way to do negotiations, but it works for the sole survivor, and in Fallout 3 it works for the lone wanderer. I know it's not your first gunfight. It is not mine either. By way of proxy, this is probably not even my 70th gunfight. Okay, we have no ammunition for our SMG. We have a substantial amount of 38 rounds, so let's get our pipe rifle back out. Where is it? There we are. We could go for a short pipe rifle, but they do about the same damage and are probably just as accurate. The loot on me is definitely worth it, my friend. But you're not getting the loot on me, and this is a crit. Leave the dog alone, don't pistol whip the dog. Trust me, Raiders, you're not the first people to tell me to die. A deathclaws tried to tell me to die. You know what happened to him? I hit him in the dick with a minigun. Do you have the balls to hit a deathclaw in the dick with a minigun? I don't think you do. I think you'd rather run away cowering. Wait, that's more or less exactly what you did. Okay, you're not a named raider. What about that guy? I'm expecting that guy to be named. I've also probably chose a bad position. I only thought that that was a bad position as I was getting shot to hell. Right, that's one more dude down. And if I'm not mistaken, this guy is also... Whoa! I thought that was a dude. No, that's certainly not a dude. That's a turret. But then again, in the Commonwealth, a turret could quite easily be a dude, because synthetics are a thing. The Commonwealth is a weird place. It's going to be okay, dog meat. It's going to be okay. There you are, boy. That turret's going to prove to be a bit of a problem, but it's going to be fine as I'm just... Whoa! No, that turret's going down. Right, I could Molotov it. Short double barrel shotguns are always the way. Always the way. Don't worry, Dogmeat, I'm going to take care of the turret. Just give me a moment while I scavenge the place. There's a lot of decent loot around here, actually. Interesting. Dogmeat, I'm fine. I'm just being shot a little bit by a turret, which is not really going to be much a problem for a few more seconds. Well, it's going to be a problem for a few more seconds, but now it is about to blow up and I'm in the blast radius. It's a good thing that that didn't do any damage, otherwise that could have been incredibly detrimental. Okay, I'm having fun. Right, let's get on the picking thing. This is probably our reward for killing Gristle earlier. Stubborn lock. Stop being a stubborn lock and open, thank you. Some nice explosives. What else have we got? Fusion cells, 10mm. Shotty cells and some 308s. Nice and ammo cache. I don't think the raiders are going to be very happy that we have just robbed off with a substantial amount of the ammunition. But then again, they could quite easily re-obtain their ammo by using the ammo that they currently have, finding a small little settlement that's armed and killing them with whatever they have left. And in the event that they do run out of ammunition during that little raid, they always have the melee weapons, much like I have my bladed board, which I am going to be replacing at some point, because as much as I do like the thing, I do like the look of a lot of the weapons that I have seen in the loading screens. Right, so I have to go up, but it's probably more beneficial for me to just pick locks and find some more loot. Come on, Titan, you can pick this lock. You picked other easy locks. This lock is being stubborn. On the plus side, it was worth it because we got our hands on some decent loot. And I need to take a swig of something that will heal me. I don't want to take the deathclaw, mate. I really don't. That's 6 radiation. That would be worth it, but I don't have anywhere near enough health to justify that. So we're going to go for some pork and beans. And I just said that I didn't want to take deathclaw meat because of the radiation. Yeah. It's actually because I don't want to use that without making it into a steak, which is a thing we can do. I'm going to take a Radaway, and we're just going to make our way up to the Commonwealth, even though I thought that that was going to lead us into a higher position in the factory, but then again, it actually might. Or not. I don't even know where these raiders are shooting me from. I know that they're shooting me from below, but as far as I'm aware at least, I did deal with a lot of the raiders from below. Right, check the local map. Is there even a local map anymore? No. It's a shame. I did like the idea of a local map. Oh well. So we're just going to try and kill off all of the remaining raiders then. As that is our quest. I did expect there to be a named raider for us to fight, but it doesn't look like that's the case. Raiders, you've got nothing on the souls. Oh, that's concerning. Why do you guys have a power armor suit? Well, not a power armor suit. Why do you guys have access to a power armor workstation? Do you have power armor? I think they have power armor. And I've seen on the loading screens what that kind of power armor looks like. This is not good. If they have a suit of Raider power armor, I'm scared, because I don't have any reliable way that I can think of that would be able to take on a suit of power armor. I mean, I have my own suit of power armor, but I've left that back in Sanctuary and I've just remembered something. I need to take the fusion battery out of that, because something I've been told recently, if you're in combat and you get out of a power suit, a power armor suit, or if you just leave it in when you go off on your own like I have done, there is a chance that someone could rob your armor. Don't know about you dudes. I don't want people stealing my power armor. It's mine. It's my power armor. I earned it. And I have no idea where I'm going. And considering that considering that everything here has been wiped out, I guess we should go outside to the Commonwealth and see if we can find another entrance into the building, because that's more or less the only thing I can think of. Just gonna check if there is actually a local map. Doesn't look like there is. I am a moron. I said that in the DMC playthrough, and I'm saying it again. I am a moron. Okay, it wants me on the other side of the Corvega factory. So we are going to go outside into the Commonwealth, and we are going to go to the other side of the factory. Oh, we're being shot now. Hello, Raiders! Sorry, but I've got some bad news. All of your friends inside the factory? Yeah, I've killed them. Well, I've killed most of them. I don't really think I've killed all of them, otherwise my quest would be complete. But yeah, I've killed a lot of them. So, yeah, your numbers are down and your friends are dead, but not to worry, you're going to join them in a moment. Be happy, you're with your friends. Raiders are not friendly people. Right, I need to find a way to purchase some new I need to find somewhere to purchase stimpaks or something along those lines because we are not exactly in the best position from a survival point. So what I'm thinking of doing next time we level up is getting a point in toughness for some damage resistance. Probably a good idea. In fact, that's probably the best idea. I probably did, yes. I probably took on this quest when I didn't have the levels for it or didn't have the gear for it. But, you know what, Raider? Unlike you, I'm going to get out of this place alive, and I'm going to be rewarded with quite a substantial amount of experience, along with caps to compensate me. And how am I going to get caps for compensation? Well, I've been stripping a lot of your allies down, and I've been carrying all of their gear. So that's going to go to the first merchant that I find, along with my wedding ring. So yeah, this is going to be quite a profitable experience for me. Where is she? Oh, there you are, lass. Raider scum. That's right, Raider scum. I always love the way that VAT's kills go down. Is that everyone here? No, it's not. There is still at least one more person. You're deceased now. I'm sorry. Poor girl. She never stood a chance. Come on, Natasha. You can sprint down all of this and you'll be fine. Alternatively, we could just do this. Please tell me I'm not trapped. Good. Right, that would be... Where does the game want me to go? It wants me to go up there. I'm not going up there. I'm going to drop down here, and just in case this results in death, which it possibly will. Ow. Okay, it didn't result in death, but it kind of hurt. I think I've got a crippled limb. Oh, I'm going to be listening to that in a moment. I just want to get through. Actually, no, we're going to listen to that now. Can I get the frequency back?
Automated message repeating. This is Scribe Halen of Reconnaissance Squad Gladius to any unit in transmission range. Authorization ARCS, Pharaoh 9-5. Our unit has sustained casualties, and we're running low on supplies. We're requesting support or evac from our position at Cambridge Police Station.
Right. Looks like I know what I'm doing in the next episode. We are going to be doing that. But first, I am definitely going to clear out the entirety of this place, because this is starting to irritate me. Well, no, it's not really starting to irritate me. It already has, but we will do this, and I'm thinking that the vast majority of this issue is my own issue with reading maps, and yeah, unfortunate but true. So we're just going to go back into the place, and hopefully we will be okay. I'm hoping, but chances are this might take longer than anticipated. Right, so the first time round We went through that entrance. We're going to go to the right this time. Okay, nothing here. And we're just going to drink for a bit. We need all the health we can get, really. And while we will be getting radiation out of this, we do need a little bit of healing every now and then. I've already searched this room. Right, only 10 steps away. Apparently. Dogmeat, did you see someone then? Because I'm pretty sure I did. Raider? Raider, hello? There you are! You're probably not the last one. But you're probably one of the last. You're not hearing shit, you just heard your friend die. I wouldn't qualify that as shit. Just gonna be honest with you, lass. Hearing people die. Oh, that's not good, that's not good, that's not good. Okay, deal with the turret first. Turrets are always a priority. Turrets are not fun to deal with when they get into gear. And now I'm over encumbered again. Joy! I like being over encumbered. Alright, let's get rid of some extra loot that we don't really need to be carrying. Oh, there are no ghouls here. We've been here that long, the raiders have been irradiated and turned into ghouls. Okay, I'm checking the local map. Kill the raiders in... I have been doing... yeah. This mission, kind of infuriating. I didn't think to use the elevator, did I? Get in, Dogmeat. So that happened. I'm going to say it again for the second time this episode. I am a moron. Is he friendly? No. He's not friendly. No, I didn't think I could hide. I've just been searching for the last God knows how long to get into this place so I could fight you. Right, that card's going to blow. I didn't think the one right behind me was going to blow though. That looks like a glorious piece of power armor where that's just the frame. Where's the elevator? There it is. Oh, we could go up the stairs. I'm taking the lift. Lift is always more efficient. Dogmeat. Get out the lift, ghoul. Get out the lift. Right, here's the plan. There's a dude over there. We're just going to take out the sniper rifle and we are going to blow his face off. Now, there is a minor issue with what I've just said. He has turrets. I've only just realised this. There are also ghouls nearby. Leave Dogmeat alone, ghoul. Right. Okay, there's a Protectron. There's a Protectron. Right, we are hidden. We are good. Hopefully he will not activate the Protectron and we will be okay. But there is a good chance that he will. And we've been spotted. Jared! Jared, come on, I thought we were friends. You didn't have to turn out to be a raider. Then again, maybe you did, I don't know. Right, no face for you, raider. No face for you. Considering I shot him more or less point blank in the face, you would honestly think that that would result in death. Jared, your turrets are almost as accurate as I am. Almost. And now I'm level 6. Sweet. There are explosions going on everywhere. Things are dying. Didn't really think this fortress through. One thing we always said. Damn it! I am not a fan of this area. I didn't spend, I have no idea how long, just to get blown up by cars several times. Or maybe I did. I don't know. Maybe that's the whole purpose of this mission. You get so far, and then you blow up a few times. Dogmeat, you can take care of those ghouls, can you? Yeah, good. Good man, Dogmeat. Good man. I think I'm going to take these stairs this time, just to see if there's anything of value. Right, let's go for a quick save here, and this time I'm just going to try and make my way up to the named raider, and oh, that's kind of concerning. That is concerning. Why the hell I have no idea why someone would put a lot of propane tanks there, but again, at the same time, I kind of have an idea. It's so that in the event of someone like myself getting in, they can just shoot the propane tanks and everything will be okay. Okay, Jared, hello. We could have been friends, we could have talked about this, but no, you had to go ahead and attack a settlement and demand tribute. I've not killed all of the raiders here, I've just killed the one named. Is that all I needed to do? Yeah, good. Right, I'm off. Back to 10 Pines Bluff we go. Nope. Did not want to go there. I just escaped this place. Why would I want to go back? I'm leaving. Don't worry. You'll never see me again, raiders. Well, you probably will, but it won't be your raiders. Or the raiders inside there. Freedom! We are now free. Okay. Now we're going to go back to 10 Pines Bluff and report our success. I have good news, my friend. Don't worry about them. They're all dead.
I took care of him.
Yes, we did.
That's the best piece of news we've had around here for a good long time. So we've been talking. We decided if you came through for us, we'd join up with the Minutemen.
Good.
We want things to get better. We've got to start helping each other.
That is true.
We're in. You can count on us if you need help down the line. Thanks again.
Not a problem. And with that, we're going to call it here. This has been an eventful episode in terms of the quest. We've leveled up again, and yeah, next time we are going to be helping out the, well, I'm assuming it's the Brotherhood of Steel purely because of the icon that appeared in the top left. But yes, thank you for watching today's episode of Fallout 4. I am AutomaTitan, and I will see you next time.